Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to build a basic website for your small business using WordPress. The things that we're going to be covering in this video is going to be how to add a theme, how to create multiple pages, how to create multiple posts with categories and tags, how to create a menu, how to add a plugin, how to add a widget, and how to build a basic contact form. So once you log into your WordPress website, you want to go to the left hand side and scroll all the way down to appearances and then click the themes tab. And it's going to take you to this page, and as you can see we already have 3 themes to choose from, but we're not going to use any of these themes, so hit add new theme. Now there's 2 basic ways of searching for themes. You can either check one of these boxes or multiple boxes and hit search, or you could type in the theme name and hit search, but what I like to do is just hit search to find a theme because these are the most recently updated themes. So if you like a theme, you can preview it or view its details or install now, but the best option is to preview a theme before downloading it to see what it looks like. It also tells you the details on the side, what version it is, how many stars it got, and like a little basic description of it. But the theme I most recommend is Parabola. It's a free WordPress theme and it's responsive, meaning that it will adjust to the various screen size such as tablet, mobile, and laptop. So we want to preview it. Again, this is the home page, so the home page is going to have a slider, 3 featured content, and down below it's going to display your recent posts. So just hit install. And once it's installed, you want to hit live preview. And now this is the part where we start to customize our website. So for this video, I'm going to be using Aaron Savannah as an example for my small business. So I want to copy the title, paste it under site title and tagline. Then for the tagline, add whatever you want. For the color, I'm going to go with something green. And then copy it for later. Header image and background image I'm not going to mess with because I kind of like this layout already. But make sure your static front page is set to your latest post. And then you want to hit save and activate. You can delete the rest of the 3 themes since you don't need it. So you want to hit theme details, then delete, then you want to hit OK. Again, theme details, delete, OK. And one more time, theme details, delete, OK. So now that we have our Parabola theme downloaded, you want to open a new tab and just type in your domain name to get the preview of how your website looks so we can refresh and see the changes that we're making live. So as I mentioned before, Parabola has, I think, the most customizable settings compared to any other free theme that's offered on WordPress. So as you can see, you can customize the layout, the heading setting, the home page, text, color, graphics, post information, featured images, social media settings, and then it has we're not going to touch that for this video, but anyways, for me, I want the title and these little social media like icons to be the same color as this. So what we want to do is go to color settings. This one right here, this box will change the color of the little icons, the social media icons. So as I copied my background color before, I'm just going to paste it in here. And then this will change the site title. and then all you want to do is just hit save changes. So now that when we refresh, our site title is changed and the little social icon buttons are green. Okay, so let's go to our little checklist. So add theme is done. Now we're going to create pages. So what you want to do is scroll to the left hand side and hit the pages tab, and we can delete our sample page, just trash it. You want to hit add new, and let's just type in about us, and you could just hit publish and add new, publish, add new, publish, add new, publish, add new, publish, add new. We're going to make a news page, and we're also going to make a thank you page, and hit publish. Okay, now when we refresh our website, it should have all our little tabs up here, and when you click on it, it should be blank and it should have a leave a reply and a comment box and a post comment button. But for most businesses, you don't want to have leave a comment on your about us page because no one really cares and it seems unprofessional. So what you want to do is go to pages. When you hover over the about us, it should give you a quick edit button. Click it and uncheck allow comments, and do this with all of your pages. Okay, once that's done, now we can start adding our content. To change the color of the text, you want to hit, it's going to look like this for you, but you want to hit this button and it'll give you more options. And then to change the color, all you have to go do is hit this little color button which has an A on top of it, and then change the color, and the color will be displayed below the A. To make a new heading, all you want to do is highlight the text, go up here where it says format, then hit heading 2. Again, format, heading 2. And now let's add an image. So what you want to do for adding image is hit the add media button and then select files. Go to upload files, select files, and then just hit any one of these, or whatever image you want to upload. Hit insert into page, hit update. If you don't want this little frame that appears right here, if you can see, I don't know if you can, here, this little frame, all you have to do is go to appearances, parabola settings, graphic settings, and you want to hit the first little icon that you see, and then save changes. Now that when we refresh it, you won't have it, the little border's gone. So back to pages, about us. Let's just put a break, update. There you go. If you want to center the image, all you have to do is click it and hit center. Or you could do hit that image button and hit the center, or just check the center button here. And you want to delete the little link URL because it's not, you don't need to click the picture. See, it's going to take you to here if you click the picture. If you remove the link, it doesn't let you do anything, and that's what we want. So now we have our About Us page done. So we just got to fill out the rest of them. So kittens for sale. Copy, paste. Add image again, hit the add media, upload files, select files, choose your image. Insert into page, click it, hit left, remove the link, hit update, and now here's our kittens for sale page. Queens and studs. So again, copy, go to pages, go to your queens and stud page, paste. Again, to make it into a heading, you go up here where it says paragraph, heading 2, copy. Now this little text is in the center. If you want to make it go to the left, all you have to do is hit this button, like in Microsoft Word, and it goes to the left. Okay, and then add our image again. So add media, upload files, select file, choose, hit insert into page, click the picture, hit left, remove the link, hit update, and then let's add another one. Let's add the other one here. So media, upload files, select files, choose, insert into page, click it, left, and remove the link, update. So our queens and stud will now have the two images. If you want this to be underneath the image, all you have to do is go to the text editor and right here you just want to add this code, and I'll put in the description if you guys want. So now it's below the image. Let's take one of that out. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so we have 2 more pages to go. So Savannah's. I already pre-typed this to make the video shorter, so I'm just going to copy and paste the information. Whoops. There you go. Now, if you want to add a video to your page, what you want to do is go to YouTube, type in the video that you want, and then what you want to do is go to share and click the embed, and then copy this code that YouTube gives you. So what you want to do is you want to hit the text tab at the top here, and all you want to do is just paste the code that they give you and hit update. And here it is. Now if you want to make this longer or longer or taller, all you want to do is go to height and width and just change that and hit update, and now it fits the little column perfectly. The last thing I'm going to do on this page is just change the star colors from black to orange so it looks better. Whoops. And hit update. Now when I refresh it, it should change. Yep. Okay, so our last one is the thank you page. So again, pages, thank you. To add a link, you want to highlight the text. You want to click this little chain button up here and then copy your page link. So for me, I'm copying my home page and then paste it and then hit add link and then hit update. And when you go to the thank you page, you'll have your little content and the link. Make sure your link works by clicking on it. So mine is working. Now we can move on to adding posts. But before going to posts, what you want to do is go to your news, hover over it, click quick edit, and change the default template to blog template. Basically, it's going to change the template to become a post page rather than a page. And then just hit update. So all your posts will go into your news area as well. Okay, now we want to go into our posts. Before actually we go into our post, I'm going to appearances, parabola settings, and I'm going to go to post information settings, and I'm just going to hide all of my post information. Show categories, show tags. Okay. Save changes. Now when I go to post, you want to delete your basic post that not Wikipedia, WordPress gives you. Add new. When you're done adding your content, you want to go to the right hand side and hit add new categories. So this is going to be and you want to hit add new category and it'll automatically check it. And to add tags, you just want to type in whatever word you want to tag it with and hit add. And that's it. You want to hit publish. So now when we go into our news tab, it has our new kittens post and it has the tags as well. And when you click on it, it allows you to put a comment. And if we go to our home page, it also has our new kittens post. Okay, so now we want to do is add another post. Again, go to the right hand side and add new category. I'm going to call it monthly deals. Add category. Tags. There you go. Publish. Now when you go back to the news page, you should have 2. And on your home page, you should have 2 posts. I'm going to go back into the parabola settings because it's not displaying the categories. Maybe I turned it off by accident, so I'm going to unhide that. Okay. There you go. There it is, monthly deals and kittens. So if you didn't catch that, what you want to do is go into your post information settings and just hit show the last 4 and then just hit save. Okay, so going back to our little checklist, we created our pages and posts. So we can strike that out, and now we have to create a menu. So you can see our menu is not correctly set up, or it's not set up the way I want it, because I don't want contact us on as our third menu option. I want it as our last. So what we have to do is we have to create a menu. So again, go to appearances and then hit menus. It's going to ask us to name our menu, so let's just name it menu. Create menu. And on your left hand side, it's going to give you all the pages that are available to add, and it allows you to add links and categories. So we're going to add every single page except for our thank you page, because that's going to link to our contact us page, and I'll show you that in a little bit. So hit add to menu, and then to organize them, all you want to do is just click and then drag. So about us, Savannah's, kittens for sale, Queens and Stud News, contact us. And to add a home page menu link, all you do is go to links, type home in the link text, and then copy your home page link and paste it here, and then hit add to menu, and then drag that all the way up to the top, and then hit save menu. And then you want to check this and then primary navigation and hit save. Okay, when you update it, our thank you page is gone and now it's in order. So you could just test the links to make sure they work. Okay. Okay, we can cross that off our checklist, and now it's time to add a new plugin. So what you want to do is go to the left hand side and go down to plugins, add new, and the plugin that we're going to be adding to make our contact form is going to be called Contact Form 7. Search plugin, and this is the one, so we can view its details. Tells you all the information you need to know, and also gives you a screenshot of what it looks like. So we want to hit install now, and then once it's installed, you want to hit activate plugin, and a new little menu should appear right here, or a new little tab in the menu should appear right here. You want to click it, and this is our contact form. To rename it, all you want to do is just click it and then rename it to whatever you like. So it's going to give you a basic contact form, and it's going to have your name, your email subject, your message, and a submit button. But I like to modify mine and just have it name, email, subject, and message. And you can see some tabs are required while others are not, so this is not required for you to fill in. But if you want to make subjects and messages required, all you have to do is go to generate tags, text fields, check the required fields, name it. So just copy this, paste it, hit enter, and then copy this short code, then paste it here. Whoops. So copy this and then replace this shortcode with that, and then copy this shortcode, and wherever it says subject, you want to replace it with the new one. So here and here. And then again, same thing for message. Paste it, hit enter, copy this shortcode and paste it here, and then copy this shortcode and paste it here. If you want to remove this required little text here, just delete it, but if you want to replace it with the little star like this in red, I'll have a code in the description so you guys can copy it and paste it into it. So you want it to have font color red, star font, and then your break. So just copy that and paste it into all the areas that you made required. Let me just delete the spaces. Okay. Hit save. And then, as I was saying, for the thank you page, what we want to do is we want to link it to the contact form. So when someone fills out the contact form, it takes you to the thank you page. So in additional settings, you want to copy this code, and again, I'll put in the description so you guys can copy and paste it without having to type it out. So where it says insert link here, you want to put your home page link, or sorry, your thank you page link. So save it, go to pages, go to your thank you page, and copy this link right here, and go back to pages, and thank you. Sorry, go back to contact, go to your contact form, and then where it says insert here, delete it, and put your link there, and now hit save. So let's test out if it works. Go to our contact. Oh, before we could do that, you want to copy your shortcode here. Go back to your pages and go to our contact us. And you want to paste it. Hit update. And now when you refresh your contact us page, it should display your contact form with your content. And now let's test if it works. So and hit send. And there you go. It takes us to our it takes us to our thank you page. And we can click here to go back to our home page. Now, if someone doesn't fill in your contact form, it'll let them know because you've marked them as required fields. So it'll let them know to fill it out. Okay, now that we have our plugin and our contact form page built, we can now add a widget. So to add a widget, you want to go back into plugins and add new plugins. And there are plugins that are widgets, but not all plugins are widgets, if that makes sense. So the plugin that I'm going to show you how to put on your widget section is going to be called YoPolls. So YOP polls. Again, we can view its details. Screenshot, and this is how it's supposed to look or going to look. So install now, okay, and then hit activate plugin. And just like the contact form, it's going to add a little tab right here. It's going to be called YoPolls. So click it, then click the default one, rename it. Whoops. And answer 1, yes. Answer 2, no. Whoops, no. Answer 3, maybe. And next, you want to hit answer advanced options and then click no, and then move down, and you can edit this information. It's basically like how you want your poll to look, so I'll kind of go over it. This is going to be how you want your results viewed before or after. I'll leave it at after. Who you want your results to be viewed by, that's fine, guests and registered users. Display, I like to do both numbers and percentage. The rest is okay. If you want to prevent people from submitting more than one vote, you would hit blocking voters by cookie, and then you can limit the number of votes per user. So yes, and you can hit 1. And now you can change the template color. If you don't want white, maybe you want gray. It will show you what it looks like on to your right side. If you want dark, but since ours is green, I'm going to try something that's green looking. I think that's fine. Okay. And you want to just hit save poll at the bottom. And then now copy this short code. Go down to appearances. Hit widgets. You want to remove all these from the left sidebar because we don't have a left sidebar. We have a right sidebar. And then open the right sidebar and just drag the YoPolls. You can title it. Hit save. And now when we refresh our page, our poll should be right here. And it is. Whoops. Okay, so it's right there. There's another way to add it, and it might be easier, is if you just drag the text, name it, so and then paste that little shortcode that I told you to copy and hit save. And then there it is. Let's just delete the title. Okay, so it just says cats. And I think, let's go back to our polls. There's something wrong. It's not letting us vote. I guess turn off block voters. Just turn it off and just check a limit number of votes per user, sorry. And then save it. Let's see if it allows us to vote. Okay, there you go. That was the problem. So now we can vote just to see if it's working. So it is. Okay, now that that's done, all we have to do is build our home page. So we can just replace all these cool looking pictures with our own pictures. So what you want to do again, left hand side, appearances, parabola settings, presentation page. And right here it tells you the dimensions of the slider, so it's going to be 1050 by 350. If you have an image that's larger than that, all you want to do is resize it. So if you're using a Mac, when you open the picture, it's going to open in preview, and you want to go to Tools and hit Adjust Size, and hit the little lock button so you can change it to different dimensions without having it to be proportional. And we're going to do 1050 to 350 and hit OK. And it resized our image, so we can close that, and now we can add our image. So select, again, upload files, select files, where to go, choose, insert into post, add your title. So let's see, let me just copy this, and you can add your text. Oops. Copy, paste, and you can add a link, but for this slide I'm not going to. In slide 2, again, choose file, select file, choose, insert into post, title, let's just name it Kittens for Sale. And I'm not going to add a text on this one, but I will add the link. So you want to go to your own website and go to the Kittens for Sale, or for me, I go to Kittens for Sale, copy the link, and then paste the link. And then for slide 3, again, upload image, upload file, choose, insert, rename it, let's put for the text, and then the link, same thing, copy the link to your page, the one that you're building, not the one that's already built, and then paste it, and now hit save changes, and let's see if it worked. Okay, so all our new sliders are right here. So it has our picture, it has our little title, and it has the little description that we put for the image. And again, kittens for sale. If we click it, it'll take us to the page. And let's just check the last one. And here's the last one. And if we click it, it takes us to our page. Perfect. Okay, now we have to replace these little featured contents. Again, you want to go to your parabola settings, which is located right here, and then go to your presentation page. And you want to go to this area where it says presentation page columns, and it tells you the image height, which is going to be 201 pixels, and it's going to tell you the image width, which is going to be 308 pixels. So open column 1, upload image, uh, and then just give it a title. Give it a little description. And then copy the link on your small business website and paste it. And then go to column 2, choose an image. Put a title. Whoops. And then link it. Again, just copy the little URL, paste. Last column, select an image. Whoops. Name it. Uh, Add your text and copy the link. Whoops. Paste it and then hit save changes. Okay, and there you go. So now our slider is done and our little featured columns are done. Now for this little section, you could put, let's say, like a um, customer testimonial or whatnot. Again, you go back into your presentation page. I think it's extra text. Yeah. So extra text, and where it says bottom text 1, you could just delete it and have nothing, or you could put like a customer testimonial. Let's see. There you go. And then save changes. Refresh it. And there you go. It says John Smith, I love my new Savannah. Or you could just delete it. Let me just show you again. Presentation page, extra text, delete, save, refresh, and it's gone. So now you just have your slider, your 3 featured articles or whatever, and you have your recent posts. So that's basically it. We're done building our little small business website. If you guys have any questions or are confused on certain parts, leave a comment in the comment section. If you don't have a YouTube, what do you call? If you don't have a YouTube account, um, you guys can contact me on my website, and I'll leave the link to my contact form in the description, so you guys can go ask your questions if you need to. I'm happy to answer anyone's questions if you're having difficulties, whatnot. I don't care. Just ask me and I'll help you. That's probably it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys do good.